I just lost our dog. Hey guys, I have something to tell you. Bunny's gone. She ran so fast, I couldn't get her.
Wait, you can't even take care of a dog? Then what's this to Ethel?
It must have broke.
Wait, where is Bunny?
She's outside.
Outside?
What? What are you doing, Isabelle?
I tried to get her.
Where was she last?
Like over there, I think.
Okay. Bunny!
Bunny!
Guys, come on, let's go to the front desk. Maybe they could help us.
Okay.
Come on, buddy. Bunny's gone all because of you. You made her run away. What are you doing? I'm going away. You don't get it. I ruined the family. Bunny's probably dead. They're not gonna find her. That doesn't mean you have to run away. Even though I'm mad at you, Isabelle, I'm not gonna leave your side. Okay. You should get to the bathroom before we leave. Okay. Go ahead. I just can't bring him. He's gonna be okay. He'll find mommy and daddy, I think. I really messed up this time. I ruined the family. I'm leaving. She's gone.
What are you talking about?
Isabelle ran away.
What?
She totally ditched me. Wait, Bunny's here?
Yeah, we found her 5 minutes later. Somebody picked her up and gave her to us. What are you doing?
Looking on the tracker. I have it to track me on her.
What?
She's at Port Canaveral.
What's Port Canaveral?
That's where the cruise ships go out of. Cruise ship, do you?
I hope not.
Level 1. Where's she? Isabelle! Isabelle.
I'm scared. So I'm at the port and I'm trying to get on the Disney cruise. So I'm gonna follow a family and see if I can get on that way. Because I can't go home. I killed our dog. I feel like everyone's looking at me. Is this the right choice? Is pretty. Whoa! So pretty. Yay! This is so fun. Hello, people in Isabelle Town! Passengers, please, aboard the Isabelle Express! This is the best decision I've made in my whole life. I forgot that. Have you guys ever had a chicken tender pizza before? Because it is so good. Let's try it. vacation ever. I love my new life. I don't need them. I have my alien. Well, good night.